Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Jenny here, the Uncrafty Crafter. Today I have something, okay, so full disclosure, I won this item from the Fa La La into July event. So this is a prize, but since it is from my friend Maritza at Kiss My Crafts, then I'm just going to call this friend mail, okay? And so it's actually here on the channel, my first piece of friend mail. So I'm super excited. I did ask Maritza if it was okay if I unboxed it, yada, yada, yada. Just, you know, just to make sure that she didn't mind for whatever reason, but I just wanted to double check. So Maritza is my friend. This came in the mail, so we're calling it friend mail, even though I won it. Just wanted to share that. So I'm going to open it up. I already know what it is, but I'm excited to see it. Just going to cut this little edge off. Hope and pray that I don't cut into anything, because that's makes me nervous. Ooh. Package so pretty. I love the pink and white envelope. Okay, we got some bubble wrap here. She's got it all taped up nice and neat, so it's protected. I appreciate that. Thank you, Maritza. She just wanted to make sure the stuff didn't get all damaged. And thank you for braving the post office, sister. Thank you for braving the post office. I'm not sure that I'm that brave. Oh, look. She's so sweet. She even spelled my name right. Jenni. Oh, that's so sweet. Oh, let me open this up. I'm excited. Oh, thank you, it says. Well, thank you. Let me just read this real quick. Make sure it don't have any, like, because you know how Maritza is. It's probably going to say, that's what she said on the inside. Oh, yeah, that's sweet. It says, "Hi, Jenny. Thank you for being such a great supporter of my channel. Love always, Maritza, aka Kiss My Crafts." Thank you, Maritza. That was super sweet. Okay, let's open this up. The pretty bow and ribbon. Package so pretty. Makes me feel good. Pretty purple tissue paper. Exciting. I'm going to set this up in my windowsill so I can see it. Set it right there for now. Okay, now let's open this. I hate to rip the stuff when it's so pretty. Don't you guys feel like you're just like being disrespectful? Okay, yeah, Jolie, the baby, thought that that was funny too. That's so... Oh, look. I got some sweet tarts. Oh my God, I love these. Or no, they're not sweet tarts. Sorry, they're Smarties. But I love these. I've loved these ever since I was a kid. There were actually several years ago, let's see, it was during Easter. I came across a jelly bean that was, you know how they'll come out with, like, different candy companies will come out, excuse me, with their own jelly beans for Easter. And Smarties came out with a brand, and they were the best jelly beans, and I have not been able to find them since. I found sweet tart jelly beans, but never the Smarties jelly beans. So if you see those and you know where they're at, hit me up, because I would love some. Oh, I got a pretty little wax caddy that's shaped like a diamond. How pretty is that? Opens up. Put my pretty little waxes in there. I love it. Love it. Okay. Ooh, what's this? Oh, vanilla berry from Patty Wax. It's a pretty little scented. Let's smell it. Vanilla berry. Ooh, gosh. Oh my God, that smells so good. Wow. I've never had scented Patty Wax. I've only The only patty waxes that I have purchased is the Super Sticky, which is not scented. And then my other patty wax, check that out. You can tell I've used the heck out of it, was the Free and Clear patty wax. Just because I'm like super sensitive to scents. And so I was like, well, I'll just do the Free and Clear one. But oh my God, that smells amazing. I can't wait to try this one. I'm gonna lay that right there because I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna put it in my little purple wax caddy. Oh, and then look at this. It's a pretty cover minder. I was super pumped about this. Super pumped about this. See, nice pretty cover minder. Look how pretty that is. Purple. It's so shiny and sparkly. Looks like a big giant purple AB. I love it, Maritza. Yep, the magnet is super strong. Love that. That is beautiful. Love it. So pretty. Okay, and this is cool. I've actually been needing to get one of these. Been meaning to for a while. But it's neat because it comes in between these little plasticky pieces of paper. But it's one of those silicone mats that you can lay on your diamond painting and lay your tray on, or your cell phone, or you know, whatever, to keep it from sliding. And it is super grippy, like instantly. It's like super, you can't move it. So I'll be trying this because I'm bad about moving my little diamond tray, or sliding it, or hitting it with my elbow. You know, I paint flat on a flat surface. These are really good if you paint on a slanted surface, like oh, what do you call those? Drafting tables or whatever. Where did that other piece of plastic go? There it is. So yeah, these are perfect for that. But I've been wanting one of these, and I love it. Love it, love it, love it. And then last but not least, oh, and we bought got a little pretty purple organza bag. And then look at these. Sparklers Originals. Look how pretty those are. Oh my God. I have to pour these out into the tray so I can see them. Let me do that real quick. Oh, Maritza, I'm so excited. I just want to sit down here and play with all my goodies. You guys say a prayer for my puppy. Well, she's not a puppy anymore. She just, if I can open this bag up. Does this not Ziploc open? I'm really confused. How does this open? Does this not Ziploc open? Seriously? It looks like it does not, but surely it does, right? Give me a second to figure this out. Okay, I don't think this Ziplock's open. Tell me if I'm doing it wrong. Am I going to have to cut this open so I can show you guys? I don't want to cut it with scissors. Ugh. Am I going to have to cut it for real? I don't see or feel any zips either, though. You know what I mean? Okay, I'm cutting it. Cutting it. I'm gonna cut it on this little edge that's kind of like bent over. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna pour these out into these pretty little sparklers into, oh my God. Oh my God, they're beautiful. I don't want to lose a single one of them. Look at this, guys. Whoa. Oh my God. Look at that. I am in love. You turn it, it's got a purple and green cast to it. That way I see some fuchsia in it. Wow, they're beautiful. See if I can get some more to line up. Wow, that's beautiful. Love them. Oh my gosh. Okay. Now, let's see if I can get these back into the bag without making a mess. I'm gonna have to cut that hole a little bit bigger. I'm just gonna cut it straight across. And then I will tape it back shut or put these in another baggie. But yeah, look at that. Whoa. Whoa. I feel like Joey Lawrence when he says, whoa. Okay, beautiful. Oh my God, Maritza, thank you so much for sending me all these fun little awesome goodies. It feels like Christmas. So excited. Super excited. Okay, I'm gonna tape this shut. I got some tape right here. Just gonna fold this over and tape it shut so I don't lose any. Okay, pretty, 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 pretty. And those are the original sparklers from Tina's. Some people call her T-Ma, but it's the website where you can get these at, and many, many more. Is it DP with Sparklers or Diamond Painting with Sparklers.com? Something like that. It should pop up. But if you Google it, it should pop up. Thank you for the candy. You're so sweet. I'm so excited about all these fun little goodies. What I was asking for a minute ago, whenever I said something about saying a prayer, my little dog, Poppy, put my scissors back. My dog, Poppy, she just turned a year old. I know I got off track, but say a prayer for her. She is not feeling well yesterday and today both. She's had an upset belly, and she's eating and drinking, but I did give her, the vet always recommends if they have an upset stomach to give them, like chicken and cooked chicken and rice. So she's been eating some of that. She's drinking a little bit, but she's just not feeling too great. I don't know if she's gotten into something that she shouldn't have. But yeah, I'm gonna have to keep an eye on her, and if she don't start acting sprucing up later this evening or tomorrow morning, then I'll have to take her into the vet's office. So she's laying over there in her little bed, and I've got some little puppy pads laid down in case she, needs to use the bathroom again. So anyway, just keep her in your prayers and hope that whatever this is passes quickly, and that we don't have to make a trip to the vet for, I will if I have to, obviously, because she's my baby, but yeah, I just don't want to have to take her into the vet's office. I just hope it's not anything major. So okay guys, that's it for my first little friend mail. I'm so excited. I'm eating these little Smartie candies. I'm not sharing them at all. And I have a diamond painting that I'm getting ready to start on here in a minute. And it's the one I've been working on for a while, the little bird with the flowers on the branches. So I'm going to use my cover minder. Think about what I'm going to use these sparklers on. I'm going to put my little vanilla berry patty wax. That bear, it looks like a little gummy bear, don't it? So cute, and it smells so yummy. Like the scent is strong, but not like choke you to death strong, which I like that. But yeah, I'm going to stick my little gummy in my little patty wax container. I'll do that right now. And use all my goodies. I'm so excited. Thank you again, Maritza. Thank you for hosting, you and Mindy, both for hosting such an awesome Christmas in July event. That was a blast. I super duper enjoyed it. There, he got his little home, little purple bear in his little purple home. And yeah, I enjoyed it a lot. So, oops. It was super fun, and I'm glad that I was able to partake in the fun stuff. And I lost a little, where did you go? a little sparkler there. I will put it back in my bag whenever I put these goodies up. So anyway, thanks guys for watching. Thanks again, Maritza, for the goodies and the sweet card. I love all of it, and I love you, girlfriend. So you guys make sure to hit the thumbs up. And if you like the video, if you don't like purple and you don't like sparkly, shiny things, then go ahead and give the video a thumbs down. I don't care, whatever. But if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button before you leave and hit the notification bell, ding, 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 to get notified the next time I upload another video. And, oh, one more thing before we go. Today is Friday. Tomorrow is Saturday, August the 15th, which is the start of our, mine and Abigail Marie 007 here on YouTube. That is the official launch date, start of hashtag DP Summer Sky event. So we will probably, I know I will, I haven't talked to her yet today, but I'll definitely be posting a video tomorrow with the official, you know, kickoff. But midnight tonight, like I said, it's Friday night, so midnight tonight. If I'm still awake, which I probably will be, it's Friday night, then I will be getting out my canvas that I'm going to work on for the event and start working on it. So I may record that, the start of it, and use that in my video for tomorrow's launch kickoff. So I hope you guys enjoy, and be sure to follow along and participate. There's going to be lots of giveaways, lots of fun stuff. So we will talk to you guys soon. Have a great rest of the day. Bye.